Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, sir.
Sit down. If you are happy,
If you are happy, ending up, clap your hands.
you are happy.
Happy ending up, clap your hands. Happy ending up, ending really want to show. If you are happy, ending up.
Clap your hands. Okay, good class. Today is Thursday, 17th of October, 2024. And today we want to look at the substrand domestic animals. Say domestic animals.
Domestic animals.
Again,
Domestic animals.
as you can see in our picture here, we have some of domestic animals. For example, which animals is A?
Cow.
B?
Camel.
C?
Goat.
D?
Dog.
E?
Hen.
F?
Rabbit.
G?
Cats.
Okay, class. As you have seen the examples of these domestic animals, who can tell us what are domestic animals?
These are animals kept at home.
Good. Domestic animals are animals kept at home. Can you say these are animals that are kept at home?
These are animals that are kept at home.
The animals that we keep at home, they are called domestic animals. They are also called tame animals. They are also called tame animals. So these are animals that we keep at home. We feed them, we take care of them, we water them, and we also treat them when they are sick. Now, class, today we want to look at the animal, the name of the animal, the name of the young one, the home of the animal, and the sound made by the animal. And our first animal here is a pig. Can you say pig?
Pig.
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 The young one of a pig is called piglet. The young one of a pig is called
Piglets.
the home of a pig is called sty. Can you say sty?
Sty.
Where the pig lives is called sty. Sound made by pig is called onk. Say onk. Can we onk like a pig? The pig makes sound like a hor hor hor. Can you say hor hor hor? That is sound made by pig. Number two is a dog. Number two is a dog. The young one of a dog is called puppy. The small dog is called puppy. The home of a dog is called kennel. The home of a dog is called kennel. Sound made by dog is a bark. Can you say bark?
Back.
Bark.
Back.
Can you bark like a dog? Good. That is sound made by dog. Our third animal is a cat. Our third animal is a cat. The young one of a cat is called a kitten. The home of a cat is a cage. Can you say cage?
Cage.
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 Sound made by cat is?
Meow.
Can you mew like a cat?
Meow.
Again?
Meow.
Good. Our next animal is a
Cow.
cow. The young one of a cow is called calf. The young one of a cow is called calf. The home of a cow is a cowshed.
Cowshed.
Say cowshed.
Cowshed.
Sound made by a cow is a moo. Can you moo like a cow? Moo. Again? Moo. Good. Our next animal is a hen. Can you say hen?
Hen.
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 The young one of a hen is called chick.
Chick.
Say chick.
Chick.
The home of a hen is a coop. Say coop.
Coop.
That home that you have made for the hen is called coop. The sound made by hen is cluck. Can you say cluck?
Cluck.
Who can cluck like a hen? Okay. Kokoryoko is a grow. Hiyo ni ya jogo. Hiyo ni ya jogo. But we are talking of that normal one of the hen. It is a kokoryoko. Can you say kokoryoko? Again? Kokoryoko. Good. Then we have another animal called donkey. Can you say donkey?
Donkey.
The young one of a donkey is called foal. Say foal.
Foal.
Ile ndogo yenye inarukaruka is foal. Then the home of a donkey is called that place where the donkey sleeps is called stable. Then the sound made by donkey is a bray. Can you say bray?
Bray.
Can you pray like a donkey? Good. Meh is not a donkey. That one is not a donkey. Our next animal is a sheep. It is a
Sheep.
the young one of a sheep is called lamb. The home of a sheep is called and the sound made by sheep is a bleat. Can you bleat like a sheep? Again? Good. Our last animal is a say rabbit.
Rabbit.
Again?
Rabbit.
The young one of a rabbit is called
Tit.
the home of a rabbit is called hatch. Say hatch.
Hatch.
Rabbit hatch.
Rabbit. Hatch.
The sound made by a rabbit is called. Can you squeak like a rabbit? Do you keep rabbits? No. That's not the sound of a rabbit. Rabbit produces a very small sound. You cannot hear it when you are very far. It says like that. Very small sound, isn't it? Now class, let us repeat the names of animals quickly. The first was a pig. Second,
Dog.
again,
Cow.
then,
Cat.
then,
Cow.
then,
Hen.
then,
Sheep.
then.
Rabbit.
So those are examples of domestic animals. They are examples of domestic animals. Now in our next assignment, we want to choose one animal. After writing this, we choose one animal, we draw it, and we color. We draw and we color. That is the activity that we want to do today.